How to fix Instagram highlights on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First open Play Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Maybe you'll find here updates, then just update your Instagram and your problem will be fixed. And if you have an Android, go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, then apps again, and here we'll find all your installed apps. Type here Instagram, click on it, then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. And if that doesn't fix your problem, you can clear data. You will need to log in again, but that will help you to fix your problem. And if you have an iOS and that doesn't fix your problem, uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.